Today, we are going to install the Sophos XGS 88 into the RM-SR-T14 from Rackmount.IT. Let's open the box and see what's inside. Included in the box is the 19-inch rack mount kit, 1 blind plate, 3 zip ties, 4 M3 bolts, 2 Velcro straps, 5 Cat6 cables, and 1 USB cable. Place the appliance on the rack and secure it using the 4 bolts from the bottom of the rack. To install the power supply, put 2 zip ties through the designated holes. Place the power supply between the zip ties and tighten firmly. Connect the cable to your appliance. Secure the excess length of the power cable with 1 zip tie. Using the provided cables, connect the appliance to the keystones. The easiest way to do it is by starting with the bottom row. Tie the cables together using the Velcro straps. Optionally, you can connect antenna cables to the front of the rack. Remove the pre-scored sections in the designated locations using a screwdriver and hammer. Cables are not included. You are done installing the appliance into the rack mount kit. Double-check to ensure all pieces are secured. Place your Fortinet rack mount in your 19-inch cabinet. Install the blind plate below the rack mount kit. Together, they are 2U high. If you have any questions about Rackmount.IT products, visit us online, Rackmount.IT.